management.
Time management.
Time management.
Time management.
How do you balance your passion for teaching with other aspects of your life?
Actually, I can't really call it balance because I spend more time on my work than anything else. Okay, but it doesn't matter because of my passion for teaching. You know that, Ariana, di ba? So, hindi ako magsisera ng boundaries between work and personal time. So, nung advice ko pa kayo, kahit anong oras, nag-chat kayo sa GC natin, pero sumasalit ako sa GC natin, no? Kahit alas 9, alas 10. So, basta hindi ako busy. So, hindi ako nagsiset ng boundaries between work and personal time. Okay? So, okay lang yun, no? Kasi may passion nga sa teaching. But of course, I never disregard other aspects of my life, like kung kailangan for family matters, no? Kailangan ko din bigyan ng time yun and focusing on my self-care. No? Pag nakakaramdam ako ng pagod, no? Or may kailangan akong important family matters, syempre, nagdaan din ako, nag-profile din ako ng leave sa work ko. Yun lang. So, siguro, time management lang din ang pinaka-important.
Good afternoon. I am Sophia Dilutlu, an English teacher for almost a decade now. If the question is about balance of personal career and personal life, I would say that I am doing 3 things only to balance them well. The first thing that I do is time management. I make sure that I do not work beyond work hours, especially that I have my own family that I need to prioritize. Secondly, I have to manage my self-care. I make sure that my mental health is stable as well as my physical health and spiritual health. And finally, I always do self-discipline. I set clear goals and I set boundaries on doing the tasks that I have to do solely for that certain schedule. And of course, by balancing both my personal career and personal life, everything seems to be productive. Things that I mentioned, time management, self-care, and self-discipline, I am very sure that balance of career and personal life is achieved. Thank you.
In my recent opinion, there's always time and place for everything. It's a matter of time management. Upon balancing my time as far as my profession and my personal matters concerned. When I am inside the school campus, I see to it, I will do my schoolwork at the best of my ability. And after school, I will continue doing my personal matters. We call that the proper balancing of time. Thank you very much and good day.
I actually balance my passion for teaching with other aspects of my life through time management. Kasi I think it's very important that you allot time for your family, for your friends, and then teaching. I do not actually forget teaching, of course, because that is my purpose in life. I believe na I am for teaching. So I usually allot time for things, especially I have my relationship with someone, and then for the family, of course, I am the youngest, so I usually take care of my mother, my aunt, something like that. And of course, I set time for teaching. So if it is time for teaching, it's time for teaching. If it's time for family, it's for family. And then if it's for friends, it's for friends. So I believe it's just a matter of time management. That's very important.